So we want to change what displays under now playing on Discord. Well, that's a bit of a dozy. You can only really change this manually on PC. Here on the Discord mobile app, you can still find the relevant menu by clicking your icon down at the bottom to enter user settings and then selecting set status and then click on set a custom status. You can set a custom status message listing whatever game you're playing manually. This can be done through the set status menu under set a custom status, but to use the now playing status you're going to have to do it on PC here through a couple quick screenshots. Here to show you how you were to go first. For desktop app, click the gear icon. As long as your PC is turned on, a Discord is running on it, it will detect that program and display the now playing status message for whatever game title you typed in. This only works on PC through and only while Discord and the program you listed are running on that PC. As yet, Discord can detect games that you're playing on mobile devices. Hopefully they'll add that function sometime in the future, but in the meantime I hope this workaround helps you out. See you next video.